Hi Dooneynistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be a unboxing. This is another accessory unboxing that I picked up during the accessory sale. Very good sale a couple of weeks ago. And I also picked up some items. I think these are crafting items that I ordered maybe several weeks ago, and I think they shipped from overseas. That's probably why I don't remember what I ordered. So anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing what is in the box as well as some other little goodies that I picked up, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first let's start off with this little envelope. And again, I have no clue what this is, but I think it is craft related because I am in the process of making cards and other types of little crafty items for the holidays. So here is the first thing. Okay, now I remember this. I picked this up off of eBay. But this is just a stamp set with some holiday stockings and also the dies that goes along with it. This is a hard to find set that I had been trying to find to use to stamp on cards. So I received this. So this one I think is from overseas. And again, this is another crafting item. So let's see. It's in a flat envelope, so it might be another stamp set or something like that. Let's see here. All right, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is my butterfly die. Oh, that's what this is, guys. This is a butterfly die that I picked up to make memory decks cards and also just to use as embellishments in my photo albums or on my cards. Oh, perfect. I almost forgot that I ordered this, so I'm excited to use this as well. So now to the main attraction. And again, this is an item that I purchased from the accessory sale a couple of weeks ago, and I've had this for maybe I'm gonna say maybe a week. So let's just see what I picked up. And if you have not checked out my bedtime unboxing, I will put a link below, and in that video I unboxed a couple of items that I plan to gift and give away. Let's see here. And I was so nervous about this item, guys, because these two items did not ship at the same time. So I was thinking that it had possibly sold out because the quantity was getting very limited whenever I finally decided to hit the button. So let's just see what we have. Okay, and here is what we have. So let's see, guys. Let's do this one first. As you can see, it is an accessory. So let's just take a quick peek. So let's see. This is a color that I wanted in a bag, but I wasn't quite sure if I wanted a full bag in this particular color. So here we are, and this is the pebbled leather coin pouch in the color dandelion. It's a very, very pretty shade of yellow. But you guys have seen these pouches before, but if you have not, it has a zipper on the front with a little leather pull here. It also has the leather patch that houses the logo here. It's trimmed with this beautiful Sierra leather. It also has a pocket in the back where you can put receipts or cash. And it also has a zipper here on top. And on the inside, it has just a big open space here, as well as a key ring where you can attach your keys if you'd like. So anyway, here is the first item, and this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather coin pouch in the color Dandelion. So now guys, let's get to the other item in the box. And I love, love, love getting boxes when I order wallets. Even at the outlets, if it's not in a box, I always ask my sales rep to give me a box. I don't know why, because I don't store them in the box, but I just think it makes it look more elegant whenever it's in a box. So here we are, very nice, beautiful box. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, so here is how it came wrapped. All right, guys, here we go. And this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet in the color salmon. If you are a Dooneyista, you probably know that the color salmon from years ago, I'm going to say maybe 5-6 years ago, was a slightly different shade than the current salmon. Still a very beautiful color. So I really did not purchase it to pair with those bags, but if it does match nicely, I think that is a plus. I pretty much just purchased it because it's a very nice pop of color. And this is one of my very favorite style wallets. Absolutely love it. So anyway, guys, here are my 2 items that I picked up during the accessory sale. And this is my Dooney Bourke, again, pebbled leather coin pouch. And this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around in the color salmon. So anyway, guys, I just want to do a very quick comparison or color match to see if the salmon here matches with some of the other salmon bags that I own in my collection. Okay, guys, so just a very quick comparison of the older batch of salmon colored Florentine bags to the newer batch, which is the small Hattie here. The dome buckle satchel here on the right is a bag that I picked up maybe, I'm gonna say maybe about 3 years ago. And it is the older version of the color salmon in the Florentine. As you can see, there is almost a drastic difference. The Hattie on the left is more of a coral color, and the salmon is more of a creamsicle color. So now let's compare the wallet and see how it pairs with these 2 bags. All right, guys, so as you can see, this salmon wallet more closely matches the newer batch of salmon, which is the Hattie on the left. And again, I did not purchase it to necessarily pair with my salmon bags. I purchased it to primarily be a pop of color in some of my other bags, such as my brown Tomorrow, maybe a black, or some of my other darker colored bags for a pop of color. So let's just give you a closer look and see how nicely that pairs with the newer batch of the salmon. And the dome buckle satchel is not so much of a match. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a very quick comparison of the new salmon to the older salmon and which bag the wallet most closely match. So I hope that you found this helpful. So if you are looking to purchase the Florentine leather wallet in the color salmon to pair with your older salmon bags that were purchased maybe from 3 to 5 or more years ago, I will tell you that it is not going to match. So anyway, I hope that you found this comparison helpful. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.